go down the side streets and see what's around the back?
Yeah.
I guess I might. Kind of want to go down the side streets and see what...
Yeah, it's funny.
Kind of want to go down the side streets and see what's around the back?
Yeah.
I guess I might. See if it sticks to the main road.
Doesn't really look like you can go down there. Good morning, sir. Would you like to spend your money here? Don't know what that is. Nope. Doesn't really look like you can go down there.
You've got OCD. It's quite the opposite.
Should we go? No, it's the bits where we were, I don't know if I would recommend. Like Seminyak. Seminyak, yeah, exactly. It's completely
Obviously, in England it's cold at night.
Mostly
That's why I had mine on.
Australia
I feel like
it's like their Bendigo.
it's a bit briny to take away.
Imagine the rates of childhood asthma here.
Even the moped has the.
Imagine the rates of childhood asthma.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
who are navigating.
You notice that all the people who ride Delhi who ride the river, what to do? They have brains, they're not worth preserving. They never wear help, so they're expendable.
Fake grass dashboard.
Yeah, fake grass. If they get flower up there, it's missing some flowers, daisies.
Such is the desire to see something green. It's called good jungle.
Could be something there, you know.